In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a free website with AI. I will show step by step how to create simple websites like this. Kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button before we get started. Thank you. To get started, visit durable.co or click on the link in the description below. Click on Generate Your Website to start creating your website. Type and select the business type that applies to you. Also choose where your business is located. Then, type the name of your business. Wait for a few seconds for the tool to put all the pieces together. Your new website is now automatically generated. Click on Customize to change how your new website looks. You'll be required to sign up for an account before you can continue. After signing up, you can begin to edit your website. The first thing we are going to do is to edit the header. You can change your site name here and input whatever you want. You can also edit your logo. You can either choose to use a text as your logo or upload an image for your logo. For this tutorial, we'll be going with the text logo. Click on Generate under Icon to generate an icon for your text logo. Select Done once you're okay with your logo. Click on Edit Header again to add your social profiles. Select Add Channel to add a social link. There are several social channels you can choose from. Select one and input your username or handle. Your social profiles have now been added to the header. The next thing is to add a custom button. Select Add Button and choose the buttons that matches what you want. I'll select the email button and name it Contact Us. The header design is now complete. You have options to change the style, colors, positioning, navigation, size, and more. You can click on this button to add a section. There are several sections you can choose from. If you are not okay with the way a section looks, click on Regenerate. You can change the style, content, and even the entire section with just a click. You can also move a section up or down by using the direction icons. Select Edit to edit any section. You can always click on Regenerate to change how a section looks. To add a frequently asked questions section or any other section, click on FAQ to add the section. You can auto-generate questions and answers that match your business and also edit them as you wish. Once you're done with all the designs and customizations, Click on Save to apply the changes. Click on this icon to preview how your new website looks. Select Exit to visit the dashboard. There's an AI assistant that can help you navigate and carry out tasks on your new website. Click on Website and then select Publish to make your new website go live. You also get access to some tools like analytics to monitor your website's traffic. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments section below. Kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button for more tutorials like this. Thank you.